Hello, my name is Bill Edgett. Today is Sunday, November 9th, 2025. Just like to share that I was in court, and in court, an RCMP officer who was testifying in the witness stand basically told everyone that he searched the database. I have the RCMP database, copy and pasted some notes from incidents that were in the RCMP database, and he provided these incidents that he copied and pasted, as he stated. He didn't change them or anything, or I don't know what he would mean by changing them. He said he basically copied and pasted them, but instead he chose to share this with a private citizen. It was not submitted to the court in the form of an affidavit. It was not relevant to the situation that was going on. It was given, I believe, with the intent to be disparaging towards me. I remember a similar situation where Sean Rocca of the St. John Police Force was accessing the St. John Police Force database to profile potential jurors for the Olin trial. And I believe that was a violation of the Protection of Privacy Act of the province of New Brunswick. The police officers who weren't, there was no criminal investigation into these parties that he was looking up and trying to find information on. They were just potential jurors. So the information contained by these agencies, such as the police, is covered under the New Brunswick Protection of Privacy Act. And they were being accessed for, not for a criminal investigation, which would have been valid. They were just basically spying on people, trying to find out what they could, and trying to find a jury that would find Olin guilty. So I don't know what the motivation was for this RCMP officer, but he took it upon himself to do a search of the RCMP database and provide that information to someone else. It was not part of a criminal investigation. It was not relevant to the proceedings at hand. I believe it shows a discrimination and bias, and also a violation of my privacy by doing a search about me and sharing it with another individual. So I am going to try to address that complaint in a couple of avenues. One of them will be with the province, because the New Brunswick has the Protection of Privacy Act, and I believe it was clearly violated.